Stop scrolling. Are you looking for a natural, clinically backed secret to boost your energy, confidence, and bedroom performance tonight, regardless of your age? Forget expensive pills and complicated routines. Today, I'm revealing a powerful, easy-to-make ginger mix used for centuries that acts as a potent natural aphrodisiac and vascular booster. This simple brew is scientifically proven to enhance blood flow and libido, giving you the stamina and vitality to consistently satisfy your partner and feel like your younger self again. Keep watching to unlock the full recipe. This is the natural male enhancement hack you've been waiting for. Hello, and welcome back to Men's Health, the premier channel dedicated to science-backed strategies for achieving peak male vitality and lifelong confidence. I'm Dr. Katrina, a board-certified urologist and men's health specialist, and my mission is to provide you with the clinical truth to optimize your health. Today, we're focusing on a simple, yet incredibly powerful natural energy-boosting brew that uses ingredients you can find in any supermarket. We are tackling the core issue of age-related decline in energy and sexual wellness by going straight to the source: circulation and natural hormone support. The secrets locked inside this aromatic drink are designed to help you feel profoundly energized, alert, and confident throughout your day, while simultaneously enhancing libido and vascular health, essential for impressing your wife or partner tonight, whether you're 40 or 70 years young. This isn't just a kitchen remedy, it's a natural male enhancement strategy that consistently supports your body's foundational systems. Our foundational ingredient, our secret weapon for sexual performance and boosting libido, is fresh ginger root. For centuries, ginger has been a celebrated aphrodisiac, recognized across countless cultures for its ability to significantly enhance overall male vitality. It is a powerful, natural pharmacological agent with documented benefits. Let's begin the preparation by meticulously peeling the ginger. I emphasize peeling the ginger thoroughly, as removing the outer layer is essential to unlock its best, most potent benefits and to ensure the smoothest infusion into our brew. The primary mechanism behind ginger's effectiveness is its profound ability to improve blood circulation, a non-negotiable factor for achieving and maintaining strong erectile function and maximizing male performance. By acting as a natural vasodilator, ginger helps to subtly widen and relax blood vessels, ensuring enhanced blood flow throughout the entire body, crucially including the pelvic region where it is most needed for sexual health. Furthermore, its natural thermogenic, or warming, properties generate a feeling of internal warmth and alertness, effectively helping to fight chronic fatigue and lethargy. This internal warming effect is one of the initial signs that the ginger is actively boosting your men's vitality. Now that the ginger is peeled, the next critical step is to chop the ginger finely. While some simpler recipes might advocate for using large chunks, I clinically recommend slicing it as thinly as possible or even lightly bruising the slices with the flat of your knife. This meticulous process is essential because it helps to effectively bring out the full spectrum of aromatic compounds and maximize the release of its most potent active ingredients, gingerols and showgales. These compounds are directly responsible for its therapeutic, circulatory, and energizing effects. The finer the cut, the greater the surface area available for infusion, leading to a much stronger final brew. Once finely chopped, we will add the fresh ginger to a bowl. This generously portioned amount will serve as the potent, invigorating core, the natural stamina base of our entire energy-boosting brew. This initial preparation is the key to creating a drink that is far more than simple tea. It's a dedicated natural male enhancement formula specifically designed to support vascular health and sustainable sexual wellness. Moving on from our libido-boosting ginger, the next essential component we introduce is a fresh lemon. We will strategically utilize two distinct parts of the lemon for this recipe, each component playing its own powerful, synergistic role in men's health optimization. First, we need to carefully grate the lemon peel to extract all the beneficial, concentrated essential oils. It is paramount to only grate the bright yellow zest, taking great care to avoid the bitter white pith underneath, which can ruin the taste and add unnecessary bitterness. These highly concentrated essential oils contained within the zest are known in natural medicine for their positive impact on improving metabolism and providing a significant, immediate energizing effect. The powerful aromatic nature of the zest also acts as a natural enhancer, deepening and broadening the crucial circulatory effects of the ginger, creating a more complex and ultimately more effective final beverage for men's performance. Beyond the zest, the lemon itself is a clinically recognized, world-class source of vitamin C, ascorbic acid, which is absolutely instrumental in supporting the immune system and maintaining the overall function and integrity of the circulatory system. This is a foundational pillar of proactive men's health and vitality. The lemon juice itself provides a necessary, sharp, and refreshing kick that perfectly cuts and balances the powerful flavors of the ginger and the sweetness we will add later. I must emphasize that the zest is a key element, not a throwaway component. It contains unique, bioavailable compounds that chemically and aromatically enhance the ginger's powerful vasodilatory effects. Next, we will take the lemon and cut it in half, then squeeze out the fresh juice. For optimal precision and maximum potency, we need approximately 25 milliliters, about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons, of this freshly squeezed lemon juice. This volume is the main charge for our brew, the acidic, highly absorbable activator that complements and balances the other natural compounds. We will then add this carefully measured lemon juice to the bowl containing the aromatic ginger and the zest, creating a concentrated, highly potent base mixture specifically designed to support maximum men's performance and sexual longevity. To ensure our powerful, natural performance brew is not only incredibly effective at boosting vitality, but also delicious, palatable, and easily digestible, we introduce the final, critical natural sweeteners, raw honey and raisins. These ingredients offer more than just sweetness. They provide crucial micronutrient support. Honey, the immunity and antiseptic booster. We will integrate raw, unpasteurized honey into our base mixture. Honey, particularly raw varieties, is far more than just a simple caloric sweetener. It is a recognized natural antiseptic and contains powerful antimicrobial properties that actively boost immunity and help to reduce systemic inflammation, a key component of supporting long-term male vitality. It adds a necessary, complex sweetness and a unique, smooth lightness to the drink, which significantly improves the overall flavor profile. We will add a generous 2 tablespoons of high-quality honey to the bowl containing the ginger, lemon zest, and lemon juice. We will then mix everything thoroughly and lovingly with a spoon. This deliberate action not only combines the flavors, but also allows the slightly viscous honey to begin drawing out the water-soluble compounds from the potent ginger and lemon zest. After mixing, we will cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a tight lid and allow this potent aromatic mixture to sit and steep at room temperature for a short time while we prepare the crucial second liquid component of the recipe. This short steeping time is a simple but effective technique to deepen the final brew's complexity and ensure maximum potency for men's health benefits. Raisins, the mineral and iron charge for stamina. The second strategic addition, which functions as a subtle yet effective natural stamina and performance enhancer, is raisins. We will need approximately 350 milliliters of clean water to be placed on the stove as the base liquid for our final brew. Crucially, we will add a carefully measured 100 grams of plump, high-quality raisins directly into the water. This is a vital, strategic nutritional addition. As the water heats, the raisins will not only lend a natural, complex sweetness and subtle flavor to the drink, but will also infuse the water with a concentrated, highly bioavailable source of extra vitamins and essential minerals. Raisins are naturally rich in vital micronutrients such as iron, key for fighting chronic fatigue and maintaining optimal blood health and oxygen transport, potassium, important for cardiovascular health, managing blood pressure, and ensuring proper muscle and nerve function, and calcium, essential for strong bones and efficient nerve signal transmission, a perfect micronutrient combination for maintaining high, stable energy levels and supporting the body's entire systemic function, which is crucial for sexual longevity. We will gently stir the water and bring it to a rolling boil. Once the water reaches a full boil and the raisins have noticeably plumped up and released their nutrients, the base is ready. We must then strain the water through a fine mesh sieve to remove the raisins, leaving us with a nutrient-rich, subtly sweet, and perfectly warm liquid that will serve as the final, highly bioavailable base for our entire energy and performance brew. The final phase is the crucial integration of these two powerful, complementary components, which are specifically designed to create a potent synergistic effect for unrivaled men's health benefits. We now have two distinct elements: the warm, mineral-infused raisin water, our ideal delivery vehicle, and the potent, concentrated aromatic ginger, lemon zest, and honey mixture, our active compound core. We will now add the aromatic ginger, lemon, and honey mixture directly into the strained, warm raisin water. It's important that the water is still warm, but not boiling hot, to avoid potentially damaging the delicate enzymes and heat-sensitive vitamins in the raw honey and fresh lemon juice. We then stir everything together thoroughly and patiently until the concentrated mixture is fully dissolved and seamlessly integrated into the liquid base. To allow the final flavor profile to perfectly meld and to maximize the crucial extraction of the last remaining active compounds, we will let the entire brew sit and steep for another 5 to 10 minutes. This final rest period is essential. It's the specific moment the powerful gingerols, fructose, zinc, and immune-boosting vitamin C chemically stabilize, creating a harmonized, easy-to-absorb, and profoundly potent beverage that significantly supports men's performance from a deep biological level. This simple ginger mix is far more than just a momentary energizer. It's a deliberate natural strategy for men's longevity and sustained sexual vitality. The combined action of ginger's potent circulation-boosting effect, which directly improves blood flow everywhere, including the critical erectile blood flow necessary for firmness, the steady, non-spiking energy from the raisin's iron content, and the powerful metabolism-enhancing vitamin C creates a deep, systemic effect. This profound internal vitality and energy translates directly into external confidence, a noticeable boost in physical energy and sharpened mental alertness. For men, especially those over 50, 60, or 70 facing normal age-related declines in energy and vascular integrity, this mix provides a delicious, non-pharmaceutical boost that supports the body's natural systems. The authentic confidence derived from consistently feeling energized and mentally alert naturally overflows into intimate aspects of life, creating the optimal internal environment for peak sexual performance and allowing you to effortlessly and consistently make your wife happy while maintaining a profound sense of lifelong intimacy and connection. The simple, deliberate act of preparing and consistently consuming this high-quality, natural aphrodisiac is a proactive, powerful step toward men's health optimization and ensuring that age does not become the defining factor that dictates the end of passion or energy. Disclaimer: the content in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or before making any changes to your health regimen. Reliance on any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk.